Imagine that you're in a restaurant with a girl and you're on a date with her. And she's beautiful, you just ate your meals, you're having a great time, laughing, talking with each other, and you can see it on her face that it looks like she's really into you. Her smile is lighting up the whole room. The depth of her eyes is piercing through your soul. And her presence feels like a warm massage. But then suddenly, she says, "Let's get ice cream. You should get one too. Maybe the strawberry flavor." And now you're in a tough spot. Because she also knows, and you know, that you've been keeping a diet, you don't eat sugars, and you feel already full from the food that you ate. But because you don't want to make her sad, you want this day to be successful, you don't want to be rude, you say yes anyway. And you order the ice cream. And in that moment, she lost all trust in you. You finish with your ice cream, you've eaten it all, and you look up, and you see that she doesn't have that look in her eyes anymore. She seems bored, silent, and irritated. And you just can't figure out what went wrong. And moments later, you were laughing and talking. She was a whole different person. Can you guess what went wrong? The guy in the story changed his mind just to please that girl. And he didn't realize at the time that that was just a test. She was testing him. And he failed. Women always do this. Women will test you and they might not even be aware of it. But they will test you all the time. My name is Nago Daniel, and my purpose with these videos is to help you by giving away all the knowledge that I learned. And in this video, I talk about a chapter from the book The Way of the Superior Man, which is a great book. If you haven't read this book, I highly recommend it. This book is a full guide to masculinity. It is truly life-changing, and the chapter that I will be talking about today is chapter 6, Never Change Your Mind Just to Please a Woman. If you don't want to end up like the guy in the story, you should always listen to your woman and then make your own decision. But if instead you choose to go with your woman's suggestion, even though in your deepest heart you know that another decision would be way more wiser, you are telling yourself that I don't trust my deepest wisdom. You're weakening yourself by telling yourself that I don't trust my own wisdom. And you're also weakening your woman's trust in you. Because if you don't trust your own decision, your own deepest wisdom, how can she trust it? When you deny your own wisdom just to please a woman or to go along with your girlfriend, everyone will feel your inauthenticity, that you're not living your true life. And your girlfriend might love you, but she won't be able to trust you. Because if you don't trust your own core, then how is she going to trust it? And if you give up your true decision, you're living a shallow and inauthentic life, not living true to your core. Now, to be clear, I don't want you to think that you should just ignore your girlfriend and not listen to her. That's stupid. You're just building up resentment in your relationship in that way. You should listen to your woman, because she often tells you things that you don't see. And based on that new perspective that she gave you, make your own decision that seems the wisest to you right now. But if you take everything into account, your deepest knowledge and wisdom, your intuition, what she says, and then make your own decision, you are acting in accordance with your masculine core. When you do this, you are telling yourself, quoting from the book, that my deepest wisdom is leading me to this decision. If I am wrong, I will learn from it, and my wisdom will have deepened. I'm willing to be wrong and grow from it. I trust this process of acting from my deepest wisdom. If you trust yourself, then other people will naturally be able to trust you because you're willing to be wrong and thus grow from experience. And you're willing to listen to others. But ultimately, with taking responsibility, you will make your own decision. And there's no one else to blame. You take responsibility for your decisions. Because this is how men grow. By making hard decisions based on their deepest knowledge right now. And if they're wrong, they learn from it. It just makes their knowledge even deeper. And the way that you can trust your intuition and your decisions is by making more decisions and learning from them. Making hard decisions is what turns boys into men. But if you give up your real decision for your girlfriend's suggestion, then if she's wrong, you will blame her. And if she's right, you will feel disempowered, having denied yourself the opportunity to act from your core and to learn from that. So be open to change your feeling based on what your girlfriend said and make your decision from that deepest knowledge. And you might be wrong, but this is your best shot, and if you're wrong, you'll learn from it. And what's the alternative? If you don't take responsibility and make your own decisions, then your girlfriend won't be able to trust you and trust your direction. Because I think that this is one of our gifts as a masculine man, our guidance. So start taking your own decisions based on your deepest knowledge and learn from that. I'm not saying that you should not hear out what others say. Hear them out, and from that new perspective that you just got, make your own new decision. So I hope that this video helped. I highly recommend reading this book. If you're interested, I have a full summary of this book in the description. You can check it out. You can also see other videos that I made on this book. And if you also have any questions or you want to talk about something, I do free calls. You can write an email to me. My email is in the description. You can write me and we will contact each other, and you can ask me anything, any advice, whatever you want. So I hope that you like this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.